So let me give you guys a quick sneak peek, literally a sneak peek at these bad boys right here. Let me know what you guys are doing. Are you guys copping or passing? These right here are fire, bruh. 2 extra laces, so you get 3 laces with these, man. Which one would you guys put in here? I think these are fire, man. These are some classic 8s, bruh. These ones right here are dope. I think these are definitely a cop. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. I want to give you guys a quick look at these bad boys, an early look. I believe they drop next week, coming up on like what, Saturday or Friday. I love the accents of this right here. That blue, it's like that aqua blue on the little buckles for the straps. The straps are actually black. That suede, what is that? That nubuck leather is nice. Let's see how plush it is. It's pretty soft leather. Like the colors, bro. These are fire. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Are these are copper pass, fire, or trash, bro? These are nice. These is a clean colorway. I think I definitely have to cop these. 8s is one of my favorite models of the Jordans. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Are these a cops or a flop, bruh? Will these sit? I don't think so. Even though it's a white shoe, I do not think these will sit at all. I think people will be on these bad boys as they should. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. You dig?